Hey there again, we're going to learn how to use Recyclerview. And what Recyclerview pretty much is a list of items that you can have scrollable in your app to display data. For example, we have JSON data that we got from the web, and we're displaying on here with just using a text view, but we're going to make it as a list, kind of like a square, a rectangle right here for each individual item. And a Recyclerview pretty much only displays and only loads what you can see. So it recycles its views. So it can usually have, say, 100 rows. It will only display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will only load those 6, and then once you go down and one disappears, it won't delete the row itself. It will recycle itself, and it will be displayed again over here, recycling the entire row. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a Recyclerview. Oops. Okay, first we need to get the compiled dependency. Just put in Recyclerview Android. Go in here. And you want this one. And go to your Gradle. Just stick it in there. And sync. Now we want to go to our layout again. Create a Recyclerview. Match parent because we wanted to show the entire area, the entire activity. Now we have to create a row. What each row is going to look like. I'm going to call that list row. We're going to make that a Recyclerview again. For me, I'm going to relative layout. For me, I really like using relative layout. They're faster than linear layout as well. And we're going to limit this to 72 dp height. Again, this is one individual row. So we're going to make a text view, center, vertical, true, text. Now this is going to be the name. So this is going to be like name. I'm going to make a padding left on here, 16 dp, just so it's not just so it's not touching the side of the phone. In case if you have like a case, you won't be able to see it. Name, and then we're not going to display all this information, but we'll put the mail. And the gender. And we'll have another padding to the right, 16 dp. And I think that's all we're going to really put in there. We'll design it a little more later on, but we're just trying to get things started first. Recyclerview, new, Recyclerview, find new find view by ID, id.recyclerview. Let's name this Recyclerview. Saying Recyclerview a lot. Great. Okay. Now we're going to create something that's called an adapter. Now what that is we're pretty much going to take a list of items and we're going to pretty much display it within the list with adapter. So we need to extend Recyclerview.adapter and person adapter, which is our class name, dot view holder. Just implement everything and now what's happening here? There we go. Implement this. That. Alt entering on this stuff makes it a lot easier. Okay. Now first thing, we need a constructor for our adapter. What do we want in our constructor? So we want the context for the activity that we're calling this in. And we also want the list of data. So we want an array list of person. So I made a class called person that has the name, gender, age, and eye color. Pretty much everything was displayed on here. People. This dot context equals context. This dot people equals people. Now people dot size, we want the size of the array. Now our view, we first have to create, we're going to get our view holder first. So what we have to do pretty much is to get all the views that were in here. We have to do IDs for them. Name, gender. Okay. Private name, private text view, gender, name equals text view, item view dot find. Now the item view is relative to the to our row, pretty much, because we are doing a custom row, and we'll get to that in the next video, but we're just setting things up. Gender equals text view, item view dot find, id dot name. We have to return this. Okay. Our bind view holder ID. Now our view holder is where we create a reference to our views within our row. Our onbind view holder ID, our onbind view holder is it's what's used to set those views such as their text, their image for image view, for example. So if we do holder dot gender, so we're getting our holder, which is this is our holder, and then gender. That's set text. Set the text to actually person equals people dot get. Now we're getting a person in the people array list, and we're gonna get the position. That's the position within, like, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. We're getting position 0 if we need that one, 1 if we need 1, and 2 if we need 2. And we're gonna get person dot get gender holder dot name dot set text person dot get name. That's it for right now. In the next video, we're going to populate this and we're going to display it on the screen.